In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Getresponse Autoresponder. Personalizing your autoresponder with each recipient's name is a simple touch that can make your emails feel much more human and engaging. Instead of sending a generic, "Hi there," you'll be able to greet people with "Hi Sarah" or "Hi John," automatically pulled from your contact list. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step inside Getresponse. First, open the autoresponder you want to personalize. From your Getresponse dashboard, go to the Tools menu, then choose Autoresponders. You'll see a list of your existing autoresponder messages there. Find the specific message you want to customize and click Edit. This will open the settings for that particular email so you can change the content without affecting your entire sequence. Next, we're going to jump into the email content itself. Look for the button labeled Edit Design and click it. This opens the email creator, which is where you actually design and write your message. Think of this as your main editing canvas for everything your subscribers will see. Once you're inside the email creator, locate the part of your message where you want the subscriber's name to appear. Most people like to put it in the greeting at the top, like "Hi" or "Hello," but you can also place it in the middle of a sentence or even in the subject line if that fits your style. Click directly into the text block where you want the name to show up. When you click, you should see the text toolbar appear above or near the text. On that toolbar, look for the Personalize icon. It usually looks like a small silhouette or person symbol. Click that icon, and a list of personalization fields will appear. From that list, select First Name. Getresponse will insert a special placeholder into your text. It might look like a code or tag, but don't worry. Your subscribers will see their actual first name there when the email is sent. Take a moment to read your sentence out loud and make sure it flows naturally with the name in place. For example, "Hi first name, thanks for joining us," usually works better than dropping the name in a random spot. When you're happy with how everything looks, click. Next, to move past the design step. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking Save and Publish. This saves your personalized autoresponder and makes sure future subscribers receive the updated version with their name automatically included.